and on TikTok land. All right, and let me let the admins know we went live on TikTok. All right, we got to flip the camera. How do I flip the camera? Oh, there we go. It's funny. All right. Good morning, Vanessa. Good morning, guys. So anyway, real quick to just put a button on what I was just talking about. See, the only way you really make money on the markets is risk management. Risk management. And one way to have good risk management is to be in front of what's going on, right? Or make it such a trade where it's a huge 2-week type of trade, so it moves slowly, so you can check in on it irregularly. And because the markets are random, believe it or not, there are patterns, yes, but for moment to moment, the kind of moments that make you cry for mercy, the market is random. Right after you cry for mercy, it'll go back to where it was, but that's because of randomness, right? So really the only thing you have to be able to control your trades is risk management, certainty, being there. So yeah. So watch out subjecting yourself to large amounts of uncertainty. And like an overnight play is like one of those things. Dabble in it, but be careful, guys. All right, VTNR up 49.9% this morning. And that looks great. And Yext only up 13%. All right. Oh, I had Ford right here. So Yext right over here. I'm going to keep these IPOs from yesterday up in view, because if they break out of yesterday's high, that's significant. Here. Figs and Dawn. And the other one was what? It was called OMIC, OMIC. I don't remember. I think it was OMIC, OMIC, possibly. And then GME and GameStop. Yeah, I better keep those up as well. I mean, GME and AMC. So VTNR closed at 4 yesterday and is now up to 6. That's pretty good. Let's take a look at the daily really quick. All right, so that's a huge pop continuation of yesterday's huge pop. So we have to watch that carefully. Maybe it's going to run again. Or it could gap open and then bleed red all day. So either way, you can make money off of it. I don't know if they have options. Go ahead and check. Pivots. Yes, Jorge. Is the bottom pivot on AMC 2890? Did I do that correctly? Let's see. Yeah, you did it absolutely correctly. Well, yes, Jorge. But remember that ultimately, that isn't the bottom pivot until it breaks the top pivot it came from. But yes, because you could, on a smaller time frame, see it as already have broken a bottom pivot if you were following the smaller pivot points. So on a smaller time frame, it does confirm as a fully confirm strongly as a bottom pivot. On the larger time frame, like over here, when you're drawing the pivots on a much wider time scale, then the price needs to get all the way to the top and break up and over 33 in order for it to confirm that as a bottom pivot. But as a trader, a human trader, you know that it is likely to be the bottom pivot. So you can call it the bottom pivot. There's about an 80% chance that's the bottom pivot. And certainly if price went back down there and continued down, everyone would freak out. That's another reason why it's a bottom pivot. All right, so let's keep going through these. AMC is up 11.9%. So Yext, that's when I was trying to pull up Yext. Let's take a look at that. Yext was at 12 yesterday and is now at 14. And what's the news there? Earnings, good earnings. And the news on VTNR, nothing in particular. Light Sheds Greenfield says AMC surge, not a short squeeze. Okay. Also, there's ITRM. Put that right here. And everybody's asking for Beyond, so we'll get to that. Beyond was at 142 yesterday at the close with a ABCD pattern, and boy, did that ABCD pattern work out. That was one that is worth gambling on overnight because the pattern was there and so strong. 142 is now 153 Beyond Meat. So that's going to open up pretty high at 153 rather, way up in the stratosphere. 153. Boy, once we get a red day on Beyond, it's going to just pull back for many days and be a fantastic put play. So you guys be watching Beyond every single day that we trade over next week and today for if it's gone red on the day. Do you guys know what that means? Gone red on the day? It means if it's started to trade below the opening. Okay, we want to watch for that because that's a sign that it's starting to backpedal. Palantir is up a couple of points. I mean, just a smidgen. And Sahil says, or Chris says it's because just a news break of a large government contract. So it might be moving right now. Let me pull that up. All right, continuing to look at what might be on the radar here. And then we have GoED down 70%, obviously. But that's not really in play. It's flat. GoED. Damn. Okay, that looks like at the moment, I'm going to refresh to Market Chameleon. We got 14 minutes until the open. Audio is really quiet. Yeah, I don't know why that is, but the first time that we start my Zoom, it does that. All right, let me try rebooting the stream on TikTok. It's so weird. TikTok, you've got some bugs. So out of all the stocks that I mentioned, how do we decide to buy? Okay, you're new here. Well, I'm not saying necessarily to buy any of these. These are on watch. So We're getting all this things set up. All right, refreshing the Market Chameleon right now. See if there's anything else that we missed. And if not, then we're going to move on to anything, to big caps. Okay, great. All right, big caps. CRM is up a lot. Let's take a look at that. Whew. CRM is up a lot and about to break an important pivot. CRM could end up being the play of the day. Wow. CRM closed at 226 or 5 basically and hit 240 pre-market. It's now at 237. If we can get that on a good dip, that could really run today. What is the news on that? Okay, earnings. Earnings were really good. So this is great. Really positive sentiment. Okay, way better. But I didn't do it. Like, I don't know what's going on. I wrote TikTok and I told them, dude, get your programming ass together and fix your TikTok. Every morning, first stream, the mic doesn't work. Then I shut it down, start it again, the mic works. Program it, fix it. So I wrote them a note. All right. All right, continuing with the bid caps. Really excited that we found that one there, CRM. Now also we have Ulta, ULTA. And Ulta is 327 yesterday, and now it's 344. So looking at that on the daily chart, wow. I mean, it's about to break recent highs and make a run for all-time highs. That's another one that we'll be playing this morning, Ulta. I got to switch how we view these. Because CRM and Ulta, I want front and center. I'll put that right here. All right, let's see what else might be popping. 10% Ollie. Whew. Got some big caps moving this morning. All right, so on CRM, we'll be looking for a dip buy or a breakout, a pre-market breakout. So 239.50. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we're in Roblox. We're in it. We're already in that. That's a swing trade. We're already in that as a play. So we're good. Experiencing the gains of every day. Yeah. Okay, Ollie on the daily. All right, Ollie on the daily, not as impressive, but it did go up 8 points. Ollie bargain outlet. It went up 8.5 points from 80, hit 90, pulled back to where it is now. That does make for a potential play. So I'll let you know when we're going in that. We've got 9 minutes until the open. I'm going to want to put, let's see, and Beyond Meat in the corner here. 142 to 153, another dip buy possible opportunity, and of course AMC. So I'm going to get, let's see, AMC on the high-speed system over here. And AMC will be a entry at 33. It could happen even before the market opens. It's almost at 32 right now and running really hard on a ton of volume. If AMC breaks 33, you could put some money on that one. And the risk would be still pretty wide, though, about $2. Exit at 31. All right, and let's see. We want to get CRM in there. Probably should put GME in there as well. Who knows? Maybe today's GME's day. Right? And then CRM and Alta. All right, so yeah, this is going to be good. AMC, you can grab it if it breaks 33. We've got that, and that can happen in pre-market at any moment here. And GME, if it breaks 266, that'll be the momentum breakout. I hope it's a GME day. All right. And then CRM, we're looking for a dip buy, or if it must, a breakout at 239.50. And then Ulta's volume is pretty low, so the action may be on CRM. But on Ulta, we're looking for a break of 148 or a dip buy. And I'll be watching all those, and you guys just be watching them as well. And when the moment happens, we will strike. For those of you who are new here, you don't want to buy any of these on your own. Wait for the signal. So that one, Yext, just broke pre-market high. Yext, Y-E-X-T. That's entry pre-market on Yext for anyone who has a high-frequency trading setup. It would be better. And pattern day trading. So over $25,000 margin account. They got my message, and now I can't pull you back up. Oh, I see. All right, there we go. Pulled some of the profit. Yeah, yep, that's all right. That's the way to go. All right, Nikki's in Yext. Yep, and that just moved up to 1475. Whew. Very nice. Now you can use either the ladder strategy on that, which is to take 20% off every portion, every certain increment. And in this case, at $15, that should probably be about 5 or 10 cents. So every 5 or 10 cents a gain, take 20% off. And then re-entry at every psychological level, plus a penny. AMC close to 33. That's right. Well, it's 32.2. Thank you, Daniel. Yeah, I'll be indicating when to buy live in my trading group. You got to click the link in my bio to come in and join. Get a trial for my group, and then you'll be able to come join our Zoom, and I'll be letting everybody know when to get in. Some people just get in anyway, and some people do very good. But I let you guys know when I would get in. The market has ratcheted up this morning a little bit over yesterday, and but yeah, it's doing it with a lot lack of confidence. So therefore, it's possible that it's going to fall today, and giving signs that it might fall today. Every time the market opened above the prior day this week, it fell. And that's where we're at right now. And every time the market opened below the high of a prior day, it went up. And that's not where we're at right now. So the market is possibly likely to pull back today. All right, we got 1 minute and 30 seconds to the open. Everybody over on TikTok, make sure you click the link. Come join my trading group so you can be with us live trading this morning. We're going to be trading for the first hour or two. And have a great weekend if I don't talk to you again. 3-day Memorial Day weekend. Did you make it in, Marcos? I see you just messaged me. Well, really hot this morning is going to be CRM, I think. So get your options, call options ready on CRM. We always trade at the money nearest expiration. All right, 30 seconds to the open. All right, Marcos, good. Oh, you can turn off direct messaging and just put it to everyone. That went to me like privately. There we go. All right, CRM pre-market breakout. That's an entry on pre-market breakout. CRM calls on CRM. Calls on CRM pre-market breakout. CRM calls. It's already up. Oh, it's already up $3 from entry. CRM calls on CRM. 240.75, 240.99. AMC pulling back, we'll just let it. GME pulling back, we will just let it. Alta looks like it's breaking down. That's fine. We're looking for a dip entry. Calls on CRM. Your risk on CRM is $5. I'm not sure who Scott Redler is, sir, but that's awesome. I'm sure. All right, 241 on CRM, 241.50. Who got calls and who got them quick and right at the open there? All right, John got in. 241.50. 241.72. Vanessa's in. What percentage you guys up? There goes AMC. Break at 33. Get in AMC 33. You can have a stop limit order already beforehand if it broke 33 to get in. So some of you may have set that and you're in. AMC in. AMC now at 35, 36. CRM having a bit of a pullback. We'll see where that goes. Yeah, I will do crypto from time to time. Right now, the market has dipped in crypto, and it's a good time to get into any of your favorites. My favorite is Matic. CRM making a new high, 241.90, 241.90, 242, 242.20. AMC about to halt to the upside, 35.90, the halt point. AMC gonna halt. Nope, it's pulling back. CRM 242.30. Alta making the moves to break out. GME just broke out. GME, grab some GME. GME breakout was 266. GME has broken out to the upside. Grab some GME. Alta, we're waiting for 348. Break of 348 on Alta. CRM's now almost at 243. AMC pulling back hard. Watch yourselves on AMC. Nobody liked that upper limit there. CRM almost at 243. Yep, there goes 243. New high on CRM. GME pulling back. Your risk on GME is $11. You have $11 of risk for your trade entry. So 1% of your account divided by $11, that's how many shares you can get. CRM back to 242. CRM having some pullback right now. There goes Ulta, ULTA. Calls on Ulta, ULTA. Tyler Whiteskin, did you get Ulta? Did you get CRM? Did you get AMC? Did you get GME? Ulta, calls. All right, AMC starting to put back in some demand. AMC back to 35, 36. Alta pulling back. We're still way in CRM, Alta, AMC, GME. Still looking good. Alta running. Who's got calls on Alta? You're too slow, Tyler, because you're talking about NVIDIA. Alta calls on NVIDIA. Who's got them? Focus. Nothing going on in NVIDIA pre-market, so we don't have that. That's not what we're playing. CRM, watch out. Pulling back pretty hard. It might go through a go through our risk point. Exit is 235. Wow, John, that'd be amazing. All right, I'm watching AMC. AMC is trying to make a move for another breakout, 36.72. There isn't really resistance there. People just got afraid because of the limit up. Just amateur traders. There must be just a ton of amateur traders on AMC. GME hanging out at 264. The drop didn't happen. On which one? Almost all these became pre-market breakouts, and we did not get a dip pullback. Well, that's fine for us. We're in Workhorse. I'm not really interested in Workhorse till it gets to 1150. That's Workhorse is bacon in the oven. All right, CRM pulling back to entry. Could be putting in a downtrend now. So if you want to get out at break even, you can get out at break even. And then you can just wait for the re-break of the high or a dip buy. CRM, you're welcome to exit at break even now. It seems to be putting in a downtrend off the high. Although you're still well within your risk if you calculated your risk properly. But it was moving fast at the open, so I don't blame you if you didn't get to calculate your risk. AMC trying to push back up to 37. We got space up huge. Who's in our space swing trade? John, space is up huge. It's up like 11% this morning. The market's kind of moving down, and yet our stuff's doing great. How's Roblox doing? Roblox, it's up higher. It's going up even more. So Roblox and space are swing trades. We've got a couple other ones doing just fantastic this morning. Plug could work out, yeah. Plug power and run, yes. All right, here goes Ulta, continuing to the upside. How much you guys up on your Ulta? That we do, Aki. We do hold swing trades overnight and for many days. Yes, swing. The ideal swing trade is 3 to 10 days, maybe 20 days long. Christopher, it's interesting that you noticed that. Swing trades are my absolute specialty. Yeah, so it's funny you noticed that. So however much you like my day trading, I'm about I don't know 3 times better at swing trading. A percentage, definitely a percentage better. The risk on Ulta is $7, pretty wide, and on CRM it's $5 right now at entry on CRM. Excuse me, AMC pulling back. Don't let it go negative on you if you've been in the positive for this long. Exit at break even at worst. Same thing on GME. GME's out, needs to be 255. So you have about $10, $11 of risk there. So if you're not prepared for that, you should exit now. You should have known going in that there's about $11 to $12 of risk on GME at that entry point. It's pretty wide. So your position has to be smaller. So you take 1% of your portfolio and divide it by 12. That's how many shares you can get. AMC, not out. High frequency traders who have over $25,000 in their account, unlimited pattern day trading, and a high frequency trading setup, probably that's consulted through me using Dash Trader, they're out. They captured a lot of profits. But anyone right now, if you got into AMC around 33, you can exit now. Your break even at your break even. What a week this has been. Yeah. Yeah. CRM still looking good. Nicole, what's up? Are you in CRM? And Ulta. AMC, you can exit at your break even, meaning you can get out. If you're less than break even, get out, get out, get out. Same thing on GME. CRM and Ulta still in play. Wade, you could literally still get into CRM. There goes Ulta. Ulta, who's in Ulta? How much you up? That was a big pop. CRM, you could get in pretty much any time. Who said that? Wade. Because it's just moving sideways right now. It would not be a bad if you just got in. But the risk on that you should know is right now it's currently $6. So 1% of your account divided by 6, that's how many shares you can get. And then you can get the options contract to equal that number of shares. But remember, every options contract is 50 shares when we're day trading. Okay, good. Dallas Townsend. So what's your percentage right now? Palantir is really running. Palantir is having a great day. And it's about to break a pivot high. So that's very good. PLTR. Apparently, they have a upgraded government contract they just got. So, you might want to get calls on Palantir. It might run all day. Adobe is not up 10 points. Incorrect. Oh, from where it closed. Oh, yeah, but progress-wise, it's only up a couple points. You got to look at the daily chart, too, for us. It's like doing kind of nothing special. It's like, be like being excited about XLI. That's like an inside joke. Faraz would know what I mean. Should you hang on to Plug Power? Well, what do you mean? How long have you had it? Yes, you should hang on to it. It looks like it's doing great. Plug Power today broke the bottom pivot. That's a bottom reversal. Get in on a swing on Plug Power. It may go up about 10 points. The risk is 4 points. So, I don't know. That's still about a 2.5 to 1. Not super great. I think my computer just froze. Heard the fans go weird. Okay. We are now flying blind. Oh, yes. It's got the blue screen of death. Love that. Thanks a lot, computer. Okay, Katie, that's probably fine. Everybody over on TikTok, we're going to be shutting off the feed now. Make sure you click the link in my bio. All right, we're going to be shutting off the feed now. Click the link in my bio. Oh, well, just click the link in my bio. Hold AMC? No, not necessarily. No, I think I even said to sell the morning day trade on it already. All right, love you guys. TikTok, click link in my bio. See you soon. I am rebooting my system, guys. I have no idea really what's going on right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm not going to be able to pull up my high frequency setup right now. It completely reset. I don't have any idea what just happened. That's not good. All right. I'm going to have to go with Thinkorswim's charting here, which can be delayed. It can be a little bit delayed. All right. I'm watching. CRM and Ulta. And what else are we in, guys? I had it on my radar. AMC. I'm going to pull that up. And GME. Literally moving to another system here. All right. Palantir is still running pretty good. One minute chart. No, I want the 5 minute. No Zoom user. Think it would be wise to swing Palantir. Let me see. Yeah, I do. Not wise, but not a bad decision. It's a worthwhile gamble. It's probably about a coin flip. Yeah, really, for Oz. There you go. Only if you change your name. Alta still looking okay. Yes. As far as my setup is showing me, my setup maybe 10 seconds behind, maybe even 20 seconds behind sometimes because of this crash that just happened. I believe so. No. Yes, Alta's still fine, but yes, definitely I was 25 seconds behind now. Oh my goodness. Entry on Beyond Meat could have been 30 seconds ago. I'm not sure. My charts are messed up and delayed. What I'm going to do is restart Thinkorswim, see if I can get I got other problems, Nikki. I'm going to restart Thinkorswim, see if I can get it to speed up here. I think that will probably do it. So let's see. How do you get people to force update their software? Make it really crappy. Start to crap out, like program, make it slow and crappy, and then they'll click update.